Is up, everybody? My name is Grace Square, and you are tuned into my Mommy Monday series. Every Monday, I will be uploading a video pertaining to my mommy journey, whether it be DIY projects, life stories, updates on my daughter. If you are interested in this type of video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss a thing. So you can tell by the title, because you only clicked this video because of the title, that this video is about making a DIY homemade card. So technically this is my first Mother's Day, and I'm super excited to spend it with my husband and my soon-to-be one-year-old daughter. Last year I was on hospital bed rest during Mother's Day, but my mommy did come to spend that special day with me. And because I don't live in the same city as my mom or my husband's mother or all of Olivia's others, grandmothers, great grandma, aunties, we decided for Olivia to make a homemade card. This card was super easy to make, and you just need a few supplies. The supplies used for this project were washable kids paint, a paper plate, construction paper, and I also had wipes handy just in case things got a little messy. So I poured the paint into the paper plate, and then I rubbed Olivia's feet on the paper plate. I did realize later on the project it was easier for me to just rub the paint from my hand onto her foot to imprint. So then this part was difficult because Livy is like Happy Feet. Her feet are just always going. So in order to stamp her foot onto the paper, it still came out pretty good to say that she was moving around all the time. So while Olivia was sleeping, I decided to take out all the supplies to start to make the cards. So the first thing I did is draw a heart using these markers around her foot. Then I cut the heart out. And then I glued it on some red construction paper and then outlined that heart and then cutted that heart out. So apparently this is like a cool stick glue. It goes on purple and then it fades out. This glue was okay. I think it was good for the paper, but once I get into the next card, I probably should have used stronger glue. Got the job done, but it did take several loads of glue. So after I cut my heart out, I decided to cut out letters that said, "I love you." I don't have the best handwriting, so I felt like it would be best if it was on construction paper. Then I used a marker and I wrote from the top of my head to my tippy toes on the other side of the heart. I'm sorry, my big head is blocking this. And so this is the final look of the first card. I love it so much. I love the pink with the red and the purple. And so then in the back of the card, I just write a personal Mother's Day note. So I had a lot of practice rounds with stamping Livy's foot on construction paper. And so I ended up running out of the white construction paper, so I resorted to yellow. But then I figured that the yellow would be perfect for this next card. So I cut out the yellow feet and then I glue it on blue construction paper to look like the sky. I also cut out a sun, and then for the rays I used popsicle sticks. And then I also used for the stem of the flower green popsicle sticks. Remember how I was saying that this glue is not the greatest? Gluing the popsicle sticks on the construction paper with stick glue is not the best idea. So if you're going to do this, I definitely suggest using a stronger glue. So then I draw 8 little hearts for the petals of the rose, and I cut them out and glue them on next to the stem. Things together, I write on the popsicle stick stem that my love for you grows every day. It's super sweet. And I made about 2 of these for Livy's great grandmother and also her great aunt. Then on the sun rays, I wrote Happy Mother's Day and to whoever it's addressed to. So this is the final product. I love, love, love how these cards came out. I think it was super sweet for Livy's footprint to be incorporated into the cards, especially because this is kind of her first Mother's Day being outside of the womb. But if you guys end up trying this, make sure you tag me or let me know. I would love to see how they came out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more DIYs. Later!